Come test drive the 2024 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.